I'm Andrew Charlton, member for Parramatta. Happy Indian Republic Day. We are here in the heart of India in Australia, which is Paris Park. And Sanjay, Lord Mayor Martin Zeta, together we have achieved a lot, but we've got more to do. Together we have made this area named Little India by none less than Prime Minister Modi. We had Prime Minister Albanese visit Little India. We have had $3.5 million allocated from the budget to improve Little India, and we're all working together to make that a reality. And we want to put Little India on the map as an international tourist destination. Sanjay, thank you for everything you've done over so many years to achieve this. You are a huge part of Little India, the soul of Little India, and I want to honour you today on India Republic Day.
Thank you. And I'm Councillor Martin Zeta, the Lord Mayor of the City of Parramatta, and we on Council have been working with all businesses here in Harris Park for over a decade now to make sure that we do have the representation that we have today, as known as Little India. And the goal is to make sure that we have this tourism attraction here in the heart of Parramatta in Harris Park. And with Sanjay's help and his committee and many of the businesses here, it is coming to fruition. And we on Council do welcome the federal government's $3.5 million contribution towards the gateway to Little India. We look forward to working with the federal government and the local businesses to ensure that the money is spent to make sure that we do bring Little India and the community all together. But more importantly, we are here today to celebrate not just Australia Day, but also the Indian Republic Day. So we are very happy to be here and celebrate with the community. Thank you.
It's an absolute honor and pleasure to be with two people whom I love from either side of politics. Lord Mayor Martin Zeta, from the time he was a councillor, he has always been supportive of Little India, and today when he comes here, it's my honor and privilege to welcome him to Little India. And Andrew, what can I say about him? Only twice he has taken me to India so far, and the growth of Australian-Indian relations, I can say, the testimony to the fact what people like Andrew Charlton and people like Lord Mayor Martin Zeta are doing. They have the vision, they share the vision with us, and I'm so excited for this 3.5 million to come. And I would say, Jai India and Jai Australia.
Terrific. Thank you.
And a very special welcome to our Honourable MP, Andrew Charlton. Ladies and gentlemen, and a welcome to Lord Mayor Martin Zeta. Please, a big round of applause.
Thank you.
And our local leader, Katie Mullins. Welcome, Katie. A very happy Australia Day and a very happy Indian Republic Day. Come on, Jai India, Jai Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in Harris Park today, we have got the biggest Indian flag displayed over here. Vande Mataram. Okay. Andrew Charlton has brought a special gift for today for us. And Andrew, would you take the privilege to gift it to us and to open the wrapping for us?
Sure.
Andrew will go there. We all will hold it together. Oh my God. Here. All the way to there.
Oh,
No,
okay,
no.
okay, that's the bottom. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Great. That's a beauty.
Guys, come on, big round of applause. Happy Australia Day. And Andrew, if I'm not wrong, you got it all the way from Canberra. And this is the actual flag which is on display in the Parliament of Australia.
Beautiful.
Thank you again. A big round of applause for Andrew Charlton.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Beautiful flag.
Thank you. We'll take taking the photos, Varun. Where is?
Renee, this is what we need.
Yeah, Udani, just stand.
This is the shot.
Send it to Ange.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Beautiful. 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 Well done.
Okay, we'll put on display outside. Put on display like the one to Sanjay. Just take it. Put on.
That's it.
And now the chain will form. Who should ask you first or Martin first to speak?
Relaxed.
Okay. Okay, please. Okay. Guys, I would like our MP Chair, Mr. Andrew Charlton, to address all of you.
Hi everyone, my name's Andrew Charlton. I'm your Federal Member of Parliament here in Parramatta, and I want to wish everybody a happy Australia Day and a happy Republic Day. Friends, it's so special to be celebrating this day here in the heart of India in Australia, Little India, Harris Park. And I just want to take a minute with my friend Sanjay to reflect on what we have achieved together in the last 3 years. In the last 3 years, thanks to the hard work of many people in the community, especially Sanjay, Harris Park has gone from strength to strength. There's Paul. Come on, Paul. Hello, mate.
Come on.
In the last 3 years, Harris Park has gone from strength to strength. First, we had the official announcement by Prime Minister Modi that this street would be known as Little India. The first official Little India in Australia. A huge achievement, and we have a plaque down there. That's number one. Number two, we've allocated $3.5 million to improve this street. That's funding from the federal government, working in collaboration with Lord Mayor Martin Zeta and the local council to beautify this street and make it into an international tourist destination. Somewhere that people will travel from across Australia and across the world to visit. And third, we have delivered the new $30 million Centre for Australia-India Relations here in Parramatta. A centre that will build the bilateral relationship between Australia and India. Of course, no relationship is more important to Australia's future than our relationship with India. And the most important thing in that relationship is Australia's Indian diaspora. The Indian diaspora in Australia are the living bridge between Australia and India. Together, we're building a relationship that will deliver peace and prosperity for the world. So congratulations to everybody who's been involved in building Little India. Congratulations to Little India Harris Park Business Precinct. Congratulations to all of the volunteers, everybody who has built this, because you have been part of building something truly special. A national and internationally recognised destination for Indian culture in Australia. Thanks very much. I'm Andrew Charlton. Have a wonderful day.
Andrew,
Yes,
just to update. The 3.5 billion has been approved by Andrew and it has been cleared. And now the second most important person to whom the money is given, and soon we'll have a Little India Gate. I can please welcome Lord Mayor Martin Zeta.
We're working closely together.
Yes. Thank you, Sanjay, and thank you all for being here today. I'd like to start off by obviously saying Happy Australia Day and Happy Indian Republic Day. It's amazing how we have both of our countries that represent their national day on the 26th of January. I want to start off with a little story about me, and I'm a son of two migrants, and my parents, just like many of you, migrated here to Australia about 45 years ago. And they came to Australia because they heard the stories about the amazing culture and the amazing life and the lucky country that Australia is. And I was blessed that when they came to Australia, they chose to call not just Australia home, not just Parramatta home, but Harris Park. And I was born and up the road in Brisbane Street, number 47. So I've been here
Put the whole Indian flags one by one. I'll send all the
45
when the drums will start.
and I've seen Harris Park evolve.
Put the flags. They will come out. They want to see the display. They want to see the display of the flags. Do it now.
And I've seen it evolve into the Little India that it is today. And in 2017, when I was first elected on the council, we had great people like Sanjay and many other businesses throughout Little Street and Maharan Street come to us and advocate to let this area be known as Little India. So I was happy to be a part of the transformation of the making of Little India from 2017 to where it is today. And I do want to also thank the federal government for their $3.5 million grant they have provided. And yes, I can confirm, as Sanjay said, The money has cleared. We do have the funds, and we are working very closely. The council is working very closely with Andrew, and we hope that in the next 6 to 8 weeks that there will be some announcements on the expenditure and how the funds will be spent. As Andrew said, we are looking to beautify this street. We are looking at the construction of a little gateway for Little India, but more importantly, it is about sharing the local community and the culture that we have developed here to ensure that it is not just a national destination, but known as an international destination. My vision when I became elected Lord Mayor 3 years ago is to ensure the transformation of Parramatta to become a global powerhouse. I think that here in Australia, we have, specifically in Parramatta, 128 nationalities, where over 117 languages are spoken. The Indian heritage is extremely important. We have over 9...
You want to speak, Kitty? The flags are here in the box here. I brought it outside here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go out and make the chain now.
At least 10 to 11% of the local population.
Where are the flags going?
So it is important with local leaders, through Sanjay, through all the local business,
go and start the chain now.
To ensure that transformation into a global powerhouse includes Little
Sare
India.
volunteers.
And I am proud, as a local member of the Harris Park, Wigram Street community, to see that transformation come to fruition. And I do look forward over the next couple of months to deliver upon that federal grant money that's been granted, and to ensure that we all get
if you have a few minutes, we'll walk with the flags. Just wait.
So thank you very much.
I'm going to hard stop at 3. But
Thank you, Lord Mayor. And guys, it's better to be late than never. One of the most ex-councillor, Paul Noack over here, and let's hear him. What does he have to say? Come on, Paul.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sanjay. And I've got to say, it was very pleasing to hear the announcement of the Lord Mayor today. And it just shows local government working with the federal government. Andrew's doing a fantastic job there, supporting the Little India. Can't wait till we have these entry gates. Welcome to Little India. This is a vibrant place that we've named as a precinct. And I was proud as a councillor to support Little India. And I successfully moved the resolution that the businesses here in Little India should be able to trade until 10 o'clock. Just like they can at the end of the street, down at Station Road, so we can have a really vibrant precinct here. We're just waiting on the state government to sign the papers. When that happens, we can have our food trucks open until 10 o'clock, which will be fantastic. But look, happy Republic Day. It's a 75-year anniversary. In 1950 it was announced. It was, of course, 1947 when the Indian community won their independence. Hopefully we'll become a republic one day, but that'll happen down the future. But at any rate, happy Republic Day and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Paul.
well done, Paul.
Drums now. Thank you. We'll walk with the flag. We'll walk with the flag. We'll show the flags. Show a flag. Put the flags. Display. All display. More. Display more. Lord Mayor will walk. Come. See, we made it very colorful. Come on. Go for a walk. Can you go for a walk a little bit like guys? Sure, little bit. Just a little bit. Just simple little bit. Thank you. Come our team. This is like the big boss of the city is here. So. Yeah. Business is happy. What's restaurant over here? Boss, didn't I tell you I'll make a big show for you? You know, because Martin, unless we look after our friends, who will look after us? Seen that all before. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure. You are the chief. See,
You're the showman. Done a great job.
thank you. I'll come and meet you Wednesday. Okay? And mom and dad. That's great. आगे आना यार. आगे आओ. He's also Vijay.
I'll go on.
He's also one of our supporters. Andrew is the most supportive man. Remember for elections.
This is the most important man.
We'll meet. Paul, you know. Good to see you, Lord Mayor.
Hold the kids, hold the kids. Jai Maharashtra. आप समझ गए ना मेरी भावना आप आगे आ जाइए क्या देखो अरे आप खाली करो अरे हमने तो लंबाते लंबी लाइन है रेडी अब निकालो रेडी 1 2 I'm ready भागो थोड़ा जल्दी भागो वन मोर great program संजय जी ओमकार दे देना ये तो जरूरी है यहाँ से ऐसा होता है कॉन्फिडेंस से मैं कर गया तो यही देख के मैं समझ गया
What do you want to start? My God, teacher, ऐसे ही सब photos आया।
एक लॉन्ग क्यों बनाते हैं लॉन्ग एकदम लॉन्ग और उन्होंने वीडियो भी लिया है
मैंने वीडियो लिया है कुछ
अब वापस भी वीडियो लेना अभी झंडा लेंगे
करना है क्या करना है हम वीडियो
Do the whole thing. Stand the whole chain now, long chain.
इधर जी रेडी
Okay, I welcome you all to our Australia Day celebration at Little India, Brisbane. Testing, yes, it's back.
Yes, so we are. Maybe without the mic,
इधर देखना छोड़ने दो रेडी 1 2 3 एक्शन हो गया वीडियो पहले
And we're going to start very soon at 4 o'clock. We have some fun-filled events happening here, and we are seeing that the crowd is getting on. So welcome you all, and we're going to start very, very soon. Thank you for coming.
drums are going to play soon.
Yes, we have the drums over there getting ready for us to rock and roll with high energy so that we are able to take up the celebration. Yay! Let's start. Come on. We'll start with the flag hosting ceremony first, followed by the national anthem, and then we are going to have the drums. And flag hosting is done by the public, which is fantastic. Everyone please join, we'll sing Australian national song.
Thank you.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now I would like to invite Mr. Sanjay Deshwal for welcoming everybody and a thank you speech.
How much I'm sweating. My full body is wet.
Yogesh, good afternoon, everyone. Emmanuel, come on. I think Emmanuel would like to say a few words. This event, first of all, thank you everyone for joining. And please, big round of applause for the Shiv Gajna band. Please, come on. Well done, Milind and his team. And thank you everyone for joining us on Little India Harris Park Precinct. My team, the whole team is here. Raj, yes, Raj is providing ice cream to everyone over there. There will be live music. Oricon Siddharth is here. Dev Pasiji, Yogesh Khattarji, Mr. Manveer Singh Kohli, our Councillor Emmanuel, Muldeep Jain, where's Udeni, Devi Datta, Moses, Varun Tiwari ji, please come forward. इनके बिना कोई इवेंट नहीं होता है. When Varun comes, the event is a big hit. I can assure you that. And my blessing from my mother, and then Vishal from Evergreen, who will take good photographs. Harpreet Singh ji, please Harpreet Singh ji, if you don't know, someone has to. Harpreet Singh is a community friend from last 25 years. One of the longest serving journalists. Big round of applause for Harpreet Singh. And all the other people who are here. Enjoy the songs now. The music will be on. Paul, would you like to say a few words again? Okay. Let Emmanuel say some few words before we finish.
Wishing everyone Republic Day as well as Australia Day. This day commemorates the joint interests of Indians and Australians. Along with cricket, we also celebrate a very important day today. So once again, wishing all of you a very happy Republic Day as well as Australia.
Thank you so much. Now, after this amazing speech, now we have some patriotic songs which will take us further towards our patriotic journey. Now we have patriotic songs mashup being presented by Bhakti Sangam Group, and we have Sachin, Jasmine, Satyam and Gagan singing for us. So let's cheer up for them. Woo!
कौन इधर ले पड़ा इधर ले रहा है come on this side please. तो जाओ एक बार वीडियो बना ले फिर उसके बाद वीडियो बना दो कोई बात नहीं यार कोई बातें बनाना भैया बच्चे बेचारे भूखे हुए ये भी
handy everything. You're holding that.
Sorry.
कुछ याद उन्हें भी याद करो कुर्बानी मेरे वतन के लोगों आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी जय हिंद की सेना
तेरा सब कुछ मैं मेरा सब कुछ
मार रहे उसका मेरे पास पर नहीं
तो जब जो सभी ने गाना सुना है आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं कुछ आती है कि पूछी जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि ढूंढने गए सोना है
रिकॉर्ड करेगा
मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे मेरे गाँव में है जो वो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा मेरे घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ के पैरों को छू के तू उसके बेटे का नाम मेरे गाँव में है जो वो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे मैं वापस आऊँगा मैं वापस आऊँगा गाँव में जानूँगा कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे कि तुम भी आओगे कि तुम भी घर सोना सोना है
सर्टिफिकेट टू एवरीवन 10 मिनट 5 मिनट का ब्रेक दे 5 मिनट संजय हां बेटा ये इसका रिक्वेस्ट है ब्रेक कर लो जरा 5 मिनट का ब्रेक गाइस आओ द ब्रेक ऑल मम्मी मम्मी आए सब लोग मम्मी हां दे हां कितने आ रहे लोग साथ में दे आजा बच्चे लोग बेटा
और हाइट कर जाएगी हाइट ऊपर जाएगी
Ladies and gentlemen, just small break. No event is possible without the people helping us. So there are few certificates for all the people who are behind the success for this event. So I request my mother, whose blessings are with us, that she comes here and hand over all the trophies to the people. Please big round of applause to my mother. Thank you.
Mother Malini Aman.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yogesh Khattar
ji. Yogesh Khattar ji, people who don't know, is one of the most devoted person. I can see her, Mrs. Can you come and take the, please aap aake le sakti hain? And Yogesh Khattar ji and Mrs. Khattar are the big partners in this event.
Let's give them a clap, round of applause for them, for their contribution.
Thank you.
Thank you. Varun Tiwari ji.
As I told you, no event without a Varun selfie and no videography or event without the dance of Varun. Come on, Varun. See, Varun selfie.
Thank you. Harpreet Singh ji.
Harpreet Singh ji. Harpreet Singh ji, in the media industry from 25 years. Thank you for covering all of us. Harpreet ji. And Kiran ji, the better half.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anita ji, please come. You're working so hard.
Anita ji.
See, just wait. Varun Tiwari team is not alone. It's Ankur, Anita, Varun, and Dad. Where's the dad?
Ankur ji, Anita ji, and Dad.
That's Raj DJ.
Thank you. Akbar Gulzari ji.
Can I call Ziba ji and Akbar Gulzari, please?
Ziba ji and Akbar Gulzari.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
This is the latest business over here. Master Juice, please support them and they always support us for the event. Big round of applause for Akbar and Ziba ji.
Thank you. Devi Datta ji.
Devi and Ashutosh.
Devi and Ashutosh.
Devi is like a part of Laiba team and she does excellent work for the community. Thank you, Devi. Ashutosh, Ashutosh,
Ashutosh ji.
Raj.
Okay, look here. Ashutosh.
Thank you. Nadeem Ahmed ji.
Nadeem, are you still around? Indians in Sydney? Nadeem Ahmed? I think so. I'll have to go and meet him.
Kalyani Kulkarni ji.
Dipesh ji, please.
Kalyani and Dipesh ji.
They both do a lot of events, and I'm happy to say one of the year's biggest event, Janta Raja. Janta Raja, a play about Shivaji. Would you like to tell us for a minute, Dipesh bhai, after the photo?
Yeah, photo is there. Ready? Smile. Yeah. One more, sir. Thank you. Awesome.
Just tell about I'm very excited about this play. Just tell briefly, very briefly.
Janta Raja is based on the life story of Shivaji Maharaj, who is the founder of Maratha Rajya, and it is full 3-hour show. It's a drama, live drama in Hindi. We will be having some English subtitle, so our new generation and our Indian people knows the rich history of India and Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you.
And will our Little India Harris Park businesses get some discount if they mention? Yes. Oh, great. Thank you, Kalyani ji. Thank you, Dipesh ji.
Thank you. Aki Monga ji.
Behind every great event, come on guys, clap loudly. Behind every great event,
and is also the founder of Ili.
The whole marketing and the video presentation and the graphics done by Aki.
मम्मी को बोलना. Yeah, ready? Thank you.
Manveer Singh Kohli ji.
Manveer and Nancy both.
Manveer and Nancy.
Manveer and Nancy, come on, Nancy. Manveer ji runs a radio program for a long time. and Nancy is bringing a dance show over here. So guys, big round of applause for Manveer and Nancy.
Ready? Sanjay ji, Sanjay ji.
Come excuse me. Hello, bhaiya.
Nishant Gupta ji. Nishant Gupta.
ऊपर आ जाओ ना, ऊपर आओ. Yogesh ji will help us in giving the. No, कोई बात नहीं. Yogesh ji will help us in giving the. Yogesh ji will give the. Path Infotech. Come on guys, clap. Path Infotech is one of the sponsors for this event. Big round of applause for Ajay and Nishant from Path Infotech.
Path Infotech. You. Pradeep Thakkal ji.
Yes, come on. Pacific College of Technology, one of our esteemed partners.
Ready? Smile.
Raj ji.
Raj Mehboob. Raj Mehboob. Come on, Raj.
Raj Mehboob.
Always sponsoring the events and always bring cheer to everyone. Big round of applause for Raj Mehboob Tarani. Thank you. Tushar, I can see you. Come over.
Dev Pasi.
Tushar. Dev Pasi ji, are you around? Hello, sir.
Dev Pasi ji. You.
Blessings of Dev Pasi ji and my mother.
Dev sir ji, Dev ji इधर इधर विशाल इधर है. Ready? Sanjay ji. Thank you.
Vijay Singh ji.
Over Vijay Singh ji from Mortgage Choice. Vijay bhai, are you around? Okay, Vijay. But Vijay is one of the proud supporters.
Tanya Sahu.
Hello Tanya, you can bring your daughter along. Tanya does a lot of community work, and thank you Tanya for coming and supporting us.
Sanjay ji. Thank you.
Thank you. Tushar.
Tushar, Dhawarkar and Anuja. Come on.
Tushar and Anuja.
They do a lot of community work. Thank you for your support for this event. Bhumika ji, come on. She got award. Citizen of the Year award. Yes, she's coming us. Bhumika ji, join us. And they do excellent job in TUHI. Yes. Okay. Vishal.
Ready?
Citizen, we have got the Citizen of the Year award. Bhumika ji was a part of TUHI. Big round of applause for Bhumika, Vishal and Anuja.
Ready? Sanjay ji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All done, Vicky. If you forgot anyone, please contact us later. We are available here 9 to 5 every day. Thank you everyone. Let the music be played now.
Can you put your hand together, please?
Thank you. Brian, I can see you. Brian, welcome Brian. Brian does an amazing community work. Thank you Brian. Moses, your certificate is there too. Come. Come on guys, big round of applause.
Take me, Sanjay. Thank you.
Suhas. Big round of applause for Suhas. Suhas, please.
Australia's first Indian magazine to have a national reach. Indus Age is the largest circulated South Asian magazine in Australia with 5 simultaneous editions, 55,000 copies printed monthly, 220,000 readers, largest network of clients, undisputed leader in community news. Indus Age is circulated in Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane and Perth to over 525 outlets. Grab your copy now to get the latest on the community, news from India, Bollywood, music and much more. For more info, log on to www.indusage.com.au.